Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge drafting tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge drafting auxiliary view command. Before moving to Solid Edge software, we will see some basics of this auxiliary view. So first is what is auxiliary view? Auxiliary view is an orthographic view that is projected into any plane other than one of the six principal views. We know that we have basic six principal views, that is front view, left, right, rear, bottom and top. These are six principal views. Now next question is when to use this auxiliary view. Auxiliary view is typically used when there is a need to understand the object more clearly, especially when the object has features that are not parallel to any of the principal plane. We will understand meaning of these lines with actual part. Here we have one part and some features of this part are on inclined phase. We have three principal planes here: front plane, right plane and top plane. This inclined face is not parallel with any of principal plane. So I will take a drawing for this. New drawing of active model. Okay. Now these are principal views we are placing here. This is isometric. Now if we try to dimension these features, it will not showing correctly. We will try this one. It is showing 38.3, but in actual it is around 50 mm. Also we cannot position these holes. For that we need to add auxiliary view on this drawing. Now we understood when to use auxiliary view and the importance of this auxiliary view. Now we will learn how to take auxiliary view. In this case, the drawing is prepared by placing a plane parallel to the inclined surface. Such a plane is called auxiliary plane. The drawing made on this plane is called auxiliary view. Here we have one inclined face and we are just placing one parallel plane to this inclined face, and this plane is called as auxiliary plane, and we are creating view on this auxiliary plane. It is called as auxiliary view. So we will learn this with actual model. We have this drawing. To add auxiliary plane in solid edge drafting, here we have one command in drawing views, auxiliary. Just click on this and select inclined face or line. Here we have auxiliary view. Now we can dimension this with proper dimensions or actual dimensions. It is showing now 50. We can dimension this from edges as well and for holes. We can see our viewer is from this side. We can change this to line. For that, just select this and go to the properties. Here we can select line type, but here we need to select direction lines with double and click OK. Now we have this direction line. We can place as per our requirement, and we can change line type from this properties. Select continuous, click OK. Now this is updated to continuous. If you want to change name of this plane, suppose D, and enter. Now this name is changed to D. Initially it was A. If you want to change color and font of this, just select line, go to the properties, caption. Here we have color options. So select any color and we can change font from this format. So I will select any other font and font height or size, for example 15. Click OK. You can see color and font size is updated here. So if you want to change for this one, just right click on this, go to the properties, go to the caption, and here same options we have. You can change to this different color and font size. Click OK. So this is all about auxiliary view command in solid edge drafting. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.